Part-time Go app review. Is it a real or scam job app? Looking for easy part-time work? You've probably seen apps like Part-time Go, but can you trust them? The Part-time Go app pops up in app stores and third-party sites as a platform for part-time gig work. Users see jobs or task listings, maybe small commissions or rewards. On some review sites, Part-time Go is described as an earn by task or job tasks app, but details are thin. Little verifiable proof of actual payout amounts, few credible reviews, and some users report sign up glitches, meaning they can't log in, have sign up fails, based on user comments on app review aggregators. So, what users are saying? Some say they can't sign up, or when they do, the jobs or tasks are not available or always under review and never paid. App glitches, problems reading amount needed to cash out, repeats in rating or ad tasks, unclear payout thresholds. Some users say the app UI looks fine, job tasks appear reasonable at first glance, but these are mostly superficial observations. No solid verification of big earnings or large withdrawals. So is Part-Time Go app real or fake? It's not necessarily a full scam, or in the sense that it may have actual tasks or work, but from available user reports, it leans risky. Many elements line up with warning signs seen in scam job apps. If you try it, do so with low expectations. Don't assume big earnings. Be very cautious about sharing personal info or making payments. Test small. Try a few weeks and see if you can withdraw. It might be okay for very minor tasks and small escapes, but if you need stable income or a guaranteed payout, stick to more established and well-reviewed gig or job apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.